Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm sharing a new recipe which is very interesting for kids. Yes, they are called puppy cookies. Here we go. These nice puppies I've made from a simple dough that needs butter, flour, cocoa powder, a little bit of vanilla powder and granulated sugar. So for this type of puppy cookies, you need to make white and brown dough and put them into the fridge for about 30 minutes. And then I used these two cookie cutters that have heart shapes. I used the small one for the puppies. You just cut the white dough with this one, and then you cut the brown dough, but then you have to divide the heart into two parts and make ears for the puppies. And the large one, of course, I used for the mother dog, and the same is for ears. And then I cut the ears. I accidentally hit the cookie and it broke down and the ear separated, but because it's very easy to break these cookies, they are kind of soft the first 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes they become crispy cookies like the ones that you buy from the store. It's a perfect gift for kids, for friends, for your co-workers at the office or wherever you work. You may use this as a nice Valentine's Day gift. You may put them in plastic bags, add some heart-shaped gifts for Valentine and give it to them. So I will put the recipe below this video in the description box so you may use it and make your puppy cookies. If you like it, don't forget to put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to click on the notification so you may learn when I upload a new video. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.